Are you short on time for your organic garden? Do you just need one consolidated place to get answers on how to deal with bugs or critters or weeds or weather, or how to grow specific crops, or maybe how to plan your garden and keep on track so that you don't waste time? Do you want to get professional organic gardening tips and education in one convenient place? Are you longing for community interaction? Maybe you just want to ask a trusted professional your gardening questions. So if you are like most folks, what you probably do when you have a garden question is that you jump on your computer or you grab your phone and you do a quick internet search of the entire World Wide Web to find an answer to your question. And you grab the first solution that looks really good to you, and you hope that it's going to solve your problem. But when it doesn't, and you're stuck again, going back to the internet, trying to find a solution somewhere, and this repeated cycle can get pretty darn depressing and lead not only to failure in your garden, but lead you to potentially give up on your garden goals and dreams. When you have access to one consolidated place to get exclusive, trusted, professional gardening answers, you enjoy higher yields of yummy homegrown produce in less time.
Hi, I'm Debbie with Prior Unity Garden, and this is why I've developed the Prior Unity Gardeners Group, so that you get the benefit of my over 40 years of gardening experience.
In the Prior Unity Gardeners Group, every month you'll get exclusive live topical webinars with question and answer time, as well as access to recordings of those exclusive webinars. You'll also get a collection of short video tips arranged by topic so that you can easily access them. Live office hours, which are a forum to just ask me all of your gardening questions, as well as having an online community. There'll be special workshops to help keep you on track with your garden goals and dreams, as well as discounts and a members-only resources section, and special events like virtual garden parties.
When you have access to one consolidated place to get exclusive, trusted, professional gardening answers, you enjoy higher yields of yummy homegrown produce in less time. So stop that spinning cycle of questions and get answers as a member of the Prior Unity Gardeners Group.
I look forward to speaking with you there.